Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to test the HTVront Auto Press with a tumbler. Get a cloth measuring tape to make sure you have all those measurements accurate. The tumbler's wrapped. We're going to press at 365 for 45 seconds. And then we'll rotate 180 degrees and press for another 45 seconds. Here I'm just going to press the ends to give them a few extra presses. Don't mind my curious little kitties there. And here we go. We'll unwrap this. It did pretty well. The seam looks great. There is some white on the bottom of the tumbler, but it was in the design. So not too bad for the first press.